Hi everyone, today we need to show the introduction to Docker installation for Windows. We are from VIT University, Chennai. First you need to check the configuration of the system. It supports the 64-bit or not. You just check either in Windows 8.1 version. After that you check the CPU performance of the Windows. In that CPU performance, the visualization is enabled or not, you check. After that you go through this link and you need download the Docker toolbox button. You click on that and you download that Docker toolbox. After that you are getting like this. Go to the downloads. Go to the downloads and you just check your Windows toolbox button and you just double click on the run as administrator and you get one pop-up and you click on S button. It's run like a administrator and it's a .exe file, so you just click on next. Install button. And you can click on the finish button. After that you need to check verify the installation in this Docker quicksort terminal and kitematic terminal. Okay. After that you just double click on the Docker quicksort button and you get one terminal. In between that you just click on S button. Up to finish the step. In between the system displays the user account prompt. After that it allows in between that you just click on SS button. After that you just dollar prompt. In that you have to type the command docker run hello world. Then you click on enter button. It need to connect it to the outside world. Then you get hello world from the hello world. Then you get the hello world. After that the Docker is the operating system. You are using the Docker program, and coming to the run command is the sub command that creates and runs the Docker container, and coming to the hello world is the Docker which image to load into the container. And the next one is browse Docker. Hello. Open the your browser and give this link https://hub.docker.com. After that you getting this web page. People all over the world create Docker images. You can find these images by browsing the Docker Hub. In this next section you will search for these and find the images you will use in the rest of the getting started. And after that you just give me your login ID. Before that you just create your account, register to that account. I have already account, so I just click on login button and I give my ID and password and click on login button, enter login button, and after entering to the, you just enter the word Wales on your search bar and you are getting this page. After that you go to the Docker Wales public and you just click on that. After that it opens repository. Each image repository contains the information about an image. After clicking on this, we get after clicking on Wales button, we get this image repository. And next we go to the quick start terminal. So that we go to the quick start terminal and copy that command and paste it here. And in this it's not pasted, we have to type the command docker. This command runs the Wales image in a container. In your terminal you should get this after giving this command. It's up downloading these. After completion only we are getting the Docker image. It will take time to download, so we just pause the
it will extract over here.
After installation finish, we get this Docker image. After that we give this command Docker images. We take on this. When we run the image in a container, Docker downloads the image to your computer. We get all these commands, all these images what we are there in our system. Docker run Docker Wales /Wales. This command works on movement to play with the Wales container a bit. Right now we write a Docker short Docker file to run to the using these commands we run this Docker file. Using the terminal we are giving cd desktop to change the directory to desktop. After that make a directory command create folder in our desktop. After that we are giving test Docker. We are move on to the test Docker folder. After that create Docker file in the current directory by typing such Docker file and pressing the button. And the command appears nothing but actually it creates a Docker file in the current directory. Just type ls on notepad uh, notepad docker file, and it opens the Windows notepad. In that we have to uh, copy these commands. Look like this: from docker whense equal to latest. It's a from keyword tells the docker image your image based on, and you are basing your new work on the existing whense image. And we add the Fortune program to the image and use this command run apt get by update. That command. The Fortune program has a command that prints outward saying for our whense to sing. So the first step is to install it, and next the command is the cmd user games Fortune. Okay. In that image has a software it needs. You instruct the software to run when the image is loaded. That's why we write the last command, and after that we save this file into that notepad what we have created in the desktop, the test file. We go to the desktop, test docker file. In that
Save.
you just click on save button. It automatically saves to the text docker file. Here it shows the docker file. It's automatically saved to that what we are giving. Automatically saved. So now you all have your software ingredients and behavior described in a docker file. So you are now ready to build a new image to our docker file. So docker file is the current directory. By typing the cat docker file, in that we get this. After that, to build the image we give this command build docker build t docker where. In this command in your terminal, after that you are getting it takes some time.
To get the sources, it will download from the prescribed internet.
It will fetch from resources. So it's taking time to download all these files. After that, the image will be finally Docker finishes the build and reports its outcome. Finally, it's successfully built. After that, we run the new Docker mail onto the Docker file. Type the Docker images and get its file. It shows the Docker image. These are the local images, and run your new image by typing this command docker run docker whale and pressing enter and getting our new image what we will push into the docker file. After successfully installed, we opened our docker website. After that we just click on the create repository. In that we open the create repository page. It opens and may provide the repository name and a short description of that. Like anything, we have to give a my smart docker whale. Make sure visibility is set to the public, and where we done view from should look similar to the following. We just click on create, and docker hub to create a your new repository. And go to the docker startup and give this command to show what you are pushing to your docker file. It shows your new image, and find the image ID for your docker file image in this ID, and use this image ID giving this command. Use image ID and the docker tag command to tag your docker whale image. The command is docker tag. The image ID is you copied from the docker whale image ID. You copy that, and after that username you have to give what you are logged into the docker account. My docker account name is Reddy1. After that docker whale1, because whatever you gave in that name you just use that, and after that you get this docker image is pushed into the docker file, and use the docker login command to log into the docker hub from the command line. Give this command docker login equal to login user. You just type this command to enter the docker hub. Reddy1, my username, and email ID. You have to give your email ID what you are at the time of creation. At the time of creation what you gave, that only you have to type here. How to give your password. At the time of creation what you do, that only you have to do. Yeah, now you get the login succeed. So now you have to push docker push command to push your image to your repository. To give this command docker push your username / docker whale1. Actually we are giving docker whale1, so whatever you gave at the time of creation, you gave that docker whale1. It's taking time to successfully push the image. Now it's preparing after the taking time.